What's up, you guys? Have you ever sent an important email such as a client proposal, a newsletter, follow-up, and heard nothing back? Maybe you go a step further and you check your stats, 3% open rate, and you start thinking, was my subject line bad? But the truth is, they never even saw it. Your emails aren't being ignored, they're being hidden. And today, I'm going to show you why your emails are going to spam, what's secretly hurting your domain's reputation, and what that even means. But most importantly, how to fix your deliverability fast in 2025 so your messages can actually reach real people's inboxes. First, we're going to talk about why your email don't land. Let's start simple. I want you to think of your email reputation like you would your credit score. The better it is, the more places trust you. But if you've missed payments, or in this case, sent too many cold emails, triggered spam complaints, or used sketchy wording, your score drops. Now, every time you send something, Gmail or Outlook asks, can we trust this sender? And if the answer is no, your message gets sent to the digital jail, aka spam. And here's the kicker. Even if your audience subscribed, even if you used clean lists, one bad campaign can damage your trust score for months. That's why good marketing isn't just what you send, it's where it lands. Next, we're going to talk about the real meaning of deliverability. Deliverability sounds technical, but it's basically this. It's the journey your email takes to reach someone's inbox. I want you to imagine mailing a letter through the post office. Before it's delivered, it passes through scanners, checking your handwriting, your stamp, your address. If anything looks off, wrong return address, messy handwriting, it might get tossed aside. Same thing happens digitally. Email servers check, does this domain have proper ID tags, SPF, DKIM, DMARC? Has this sender sent too many messages too fast? Do people actually open or ignore their emails? If you fail those simple checks, your messages start getting rerouted into spam or promotion. Deliverability is simply how many emails make it past those gates. Here are the most common mistakes I see every day that are hurting your deliverability. Cold blasting old lists. That's like showing up to an old friend's house after 2 years of not talking and demanding a favor. They might block you. Next is spammy words like guaranteed, click here now, or too many exclamation marks. Filters see that as shouting. Next is broken authentication. Think of SPF, DKIM, DMARC as your driver's license. Without them, you're driving without an ID. And email cops will pull you over and put you in digital jail, aka spam. No engagement signals. So if people delete or ignore your emails, Gmail assumes your content's irrelevant. So yeah, between the email cops, broken ID, and your messages shouting like an infomercial at 3 a.m., it's no wonder Gmail is tossing you into digital jail. But here's the part no one tells you. There's actually a solution for that. A tool that pops open the hood of your email, finds what's broken, and literally helps you rebuild your sender reputation. And that's where today's sponsor, Warmy, comes in. They specialize in diagnosing and repairing deliverability issues in real time, like an AA meeting for your email. Here's how Warmy fixes it. Warmy basically works like an email mechanic. It pops open the hood of your sending domain, tells you what's broken, and shows you how to fix it step by step. First, you run their deliverability test. It sends your email to test inboxes across Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and tells you exactly whether it lands in inbox, promotions, or spam. Then their template checker scans your email and flags risky wording, too many links, or layout issues. Think Grammarly, but for email reputation. This tool also connects your Google Postmaster data right inside their dashboard, so you can see how Gmail views your domain health without guessing. And if your domain's reputation is already low, Warmy's AI-powered warm-up gradually sends safe human-like emails that rebuild trust with email providers. Next, I'm going to give you a 7-day deliverability recovery plan you can follow to start improving your inbox placement fast. One of Warmy's biggest strengths is how quick it is to get started. You can connect and prepare everything in about 20 minutes. I really like that they have an interactive tutorial video for each and every step. On day 1, you connect your email account to Warmy. You run the deliverability test, and you start the AI warm-up immediately. Day 2 through 6, Warmy automatically keeps sending safe, human-like emails in the background to build your domain reputation while you make any small SPF, DKIM, and DMARC fixes. On day 7, you want to review your results, and by this point, you can already start seeing positive changes. By the end of a week, you'll know exactly how healthy your sender reputation is and how to scale it safely. Why does this even matter? Deliverability might sound nerdy, but it's the difference between making $10 from an email campaign and $10,000. Your copy can be perfect, your design flawless, but if it never hits the inbox, you're playing basketball with no hoop. Warmy gives you the map, the feedback, and all the tools to make sure every shot counts. So before you send another campaign, test your deliverability. Your subscribers signed up to read your message. Don't let it get buried in spam. I'll drop the link for Warmy's 7-day free trial below. Run your test today, see where your emails actually land, and get your business back into the inbox where it belongs. This is Zeus. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.